Hi, my name is Matt, co-founder of Greenslant. The purpose of these videos are to give you action items that will help your online business and can be set up in 10 to 15 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to add multiple links to your Instagram profile. This is a client of ours, the Brow Effect. And you can see here in their profile, they have a link here. When you click out on this link, it takes you to this page. It looks a little bit different on mobile. I'm on a desktop. And here the purpose of this page is to have multiple links for your followers that they can click through either to your website, they can click through to podcast, ebook, live webinar, any offers you currently have or anything new and up and coming you have. You can see that Brow Effect has a few new products and they added the links to their new products here. The app we use is called Link in Bio. There's another one called Linktree. We like Link in Bio. The URL is lnk.bio. And the reason we like this one is because you can style the page a lot better, and there's a little more flexibility on that end. You could set a free account up to get started to see if it's something you like. And then the plans range anywhere from 99 cents a month, $10 a month. And I think the max plan is $25 a month. We have an agency account, so we host several different profiles. And here's the profile for the Brow Effect. And once you set up all the links, you come up top here and you can just simply copy the link at the top here. And then when you're in your Instagram profile, you just go here, go to settings, and then this is where you paste the link, where it says website. You paste the link here, and then that shows up right on your Instagram profile right here. And then when they click through, it will show. So this is the one for our company. You click through, and it has all the links here. And you could set this up yourself or have your team set it up. And it's pretty simple. I hope this video helped. If it's something you've already implemented, we have several other videos. You can go to greenslant.com/action, greenslant.com/action, and we have archived videos there. And hope this helped.